Hello everyone, it's Keesje. Welcome back. Today I'm showing you how I dye my papers with an acrylic wash. And I have regular cheap acrylic paint, paintbrush for later, a whisk, small cup to stir in. I also add an iridescent metallic paint, and I get these jars from the Home Depot. This is the champagne color, which I then pour in a smaller cup so that I can easily manage it. Then I have a bit of water to mix the paints in, and I have 2 cups of water here as the base. First I'm going to randomly throw in some paint, and I want it a little bit orangey. And this is all by feel. I don't have a recipe. Maybe I should use a brush instead of a whisk. I'm going to stir this together because paint has sometimes blobs in them, and this is the way you get them out. Then I'm going to add just a little bit of metallic paint with, I'm using a tongue suppressor. Put that aside. It makes the paint a bit darker because of the metallic paint. And I think this is about done. I'll leave this in here. I'll just pour it over. I'll pour this in the baking pan that I use. Pour water in here. Stir the rest of the paint in. Now if I did not have used the metallic, it would have been a lighter color. And the rest of the water goes in as well. Now I have to stir because the paint might settle on the bottom. I'm going to add a little bit more water because I do want my pages to be light. So this was a total of 4 cups, which is a liter. I keep stirring because the metallic paint wants to settle in the bottom. So here I got my regular copy paper. Goes in. Make sure it has paint all over. And we'll take it back out. And I put them on these yellow trays you've seen me use more than once. And I put them somewhere to dry. I have a bay window that I can place them in, and it's be dry in a few hours if the sun is shining. So I don't know if you can see this, but it has a sheen on it, and that's because of the metallic paint. And I will now set this to dry. So this is how they turn out. Just a note on how you dry it. The quicker it dries, the pronounced the darker edges are. If you put it in the oven, which I never do, or if I put it in my bay window, it would dry real quickly, and then all the dye will be drawn out to the edge. So I'd rather have my paper dye naturally and just on the floor somewhere. Also, I hope you can see it, but there is a sheen on it that is from the metallic paint, and they look differently. This one is lighter than that one, so I'm sure that this one was in the dye a little bit longer than that one. So that was it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.